Okay, let's talk about getting your business out of chaos and into unified control. Does this feel familiar? Your data's everywhere, in a bunch of apps that just don't talk. And that means constant errors, wasted time, and, living in spreadsheet hell. But what if you could run your entire business from one single central platform? Well, that's exactly what Odoo does. It connects all your business apps into one system. And it's a big deal. We're talking 15 million users around the world trust it. Its real power is its modular design. Think of it like building blocks for your business. You can start small with just what you need, and then add more modules as you grow. And believe me, there's a module for pretty much everything, from sales to manufacturing. This whole approach means you're building a system that's actually future-proof. Okay, so what does this look like in the real world? It's all about automation.
For inventory, you go from spreadsheet guesswork to real-time tracking with barcode scanning.
With quality control, you ditch the paper checklists. Quality checks are built right in.
For manufacturers, the PLM tool is a total game changer for managing complex product data. Get this, we're talking a 75% drop in costly errors from rekeying data. So that's huge. But how do you actually make the switch from those old clunky systems?
There's a clear path. It's a structured, 4-step process that makes it all manageable. But let's be real, you don't want to go it alone. A successful transition needs an expert guide. And that's exactly where a team like Rockwell Consults comes in. They live and breathe Odoo. The key is they really dig in and listen to your specific needs to build the right solution. It's not just about installing software. It's about setting you up for real, long-term growth. So you have to ask, is your system just built for today, or is it truly ready for tomorrow?